We talked a little bit about sometimes just the misperceptions that people have when they have maybe a checkered past. What are some popular misconceptions that people have? We talked on it a little bit, that you can't go to law school or that there are careers that you're precluded from participating in. Let's expound on that a little more, because I suspect there are a lot of folks out there who probably have that issue. They may not have called in yet, but that really touches them personally. Talk about some of the things that you all have both seen.
Sure. You know, what we see is there are so many background jobs that help us be able to walk into a courtroom and present our case and take care of our clients as effectively as we can. And the area of law, like everything, has changed so much. We have IT people, for instance, who would not be affected by a misdemeanor in your past. People who are good with computers, unlike me, who come in and they help us because, you know, people are watching Law and Order and they're watching all these TV shows and they expect those presentations now. So when we go in with video presentations, we have recorded depositions, and we need people to manage that for us. Then, like we said a moment ago, investigators, very, very important to our firm. And Laura can talk a little bit more about the paralegals. Well, one thing that I would love for you to do, we've been talking about legal assistants and paralegals. Will you tell our folks the difference in those two jobs?
Sure. Well, it depends on the firm. Different firms use different terms, and in the state of Alabama there is no licensing, no regulatory statute that defines one versus the other. And in fact, NALA, which is the National Association of Legal Assistants, which credentials paralegals, you can choose your credentialing as either a certified paralegal or a certified legal assistant. So frequently the terms are used interchangeably, but I believe the trend is more toward moving toward paralegal to distinguish it from legal secretary.
Great information.